Yo, welcome back, you guys. What's going on? Making a short little video today talking about another product that we found online that I think we can all agree this probably should have never been invented. This is going too far. This is going just a little too far. The M2 bumper on the F30, the M3 bumper on the F30. It's okay. It's okay. You know what I mean? Like it's not great, but it's okay. I've seen the F90 M5 bumper on F30s as well, which actually looks pretty good. But somebody recently sent me photos of an F30 with a G80 front bumper. Bro, it almost feels like they are trolling us with this front bumper. I think that this would probably be one of the, if not the worst, front bumper conversion I've seen on any F-Series, on any BMW. G80 front bumper on an F30. Like we saw what happened when we did it on the G80, and that is a much larger car than the F30. Just imagine how people are gonna react to it on an F30 body. Bro, this thing looks so out of place, my friends. This thing looks so freaking weird. So here's a picture of a white one. And I'm not one to like knock anyone's builds or style or whatever they wanna do, but I'm sorry. Like this has got to stop. This has got to stop. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. So here it is unpainted. It's so unproportional to the car. Like it makes no sense on this body style. Here it is on a 5 Series. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. What in the world? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Holy shit, man, this needs to stop. So here's the M2 front bumper on an F30. It doesn't look bad. I think that the reason that people like this conversion is because it looks like it could actually work, like it could have been the car, you know what I mean? Like it would fit that car. It actually like looks pretty good. I do have one of these in my garage. I just honestly prefer the M Sport on the car. I just think it looks better. I think it looks cleaner. I think it's like more OEM, obviously more OEM. I feel like the M2 front bumper, while it looks good, it's like so aggressive for an F30. And I feel like you're kind of taken away from what the F30 actually is. Like it's not an M car. That's really why I haven't done it. I think it looks good. Like I've seen it on a lot of builds and I'm like, damn, that's actually like super clean. Like this one right here, the black car, I think it looks really good. This, I think we can all collectively agree that this is an abomination. Like this should never have happened ever. So someone posted this in the Bimmercode forums and like, dude, let's take a look at these comments because you already know they are going to drag. The forums are the most critical people. Actually, that's not true. Anytime I change wheels, I get the most critical people as well. Just go read the comments on my wheel reveal video. But nonetheless, I mean, the forums, dude, the forums will go in on you if you have anything other than OEM. These are like the purest of the purest. What's going on with the 667 windows in the back? Is that a Cadillac? Oh shit, he's not wrong. Yo, look at the BMW wheels on the Caddy in the back, dude. What in the world? Now the haters are gonna go bananas. Bro, it's not about hate. Like, I don't even think you need to be a hater to dislike the G80 front bumper on an F30. I'm pleased that this F30 owner is a fan of large kidney grills on the G80M. What? Bro, well, that's interesting for sure. That is awful and complete mess. Facts. I'm surprised there's not more negative comments. Like, usually you put something like this in an F30, anywhere F30, and people will drag you. Look at the comments down below. Look at the comments below on this video. People are gonna go in. I know I'm not alone on this, you guys. And like I said before, man, usually I don't come after, builds or like talk about other people's builds, but this is like ridiculous, man. Sometimes you gotta have someone that just tells it to you straight and doesn't just gas you up over silly shit. This 5 Series, you're just as bad, if not worse. Look at how weird that looks. All of your boys were like, that's sick. If your friends really told you that shit is fire, you need new friends. It looks super ridiculous on this 5 Series, but it looks very ridiculous on a 3 Series, F30. Like, no, bro, that's not it. This isn't the move. Anyway, tell me what you guys think. I just had to make this video. I had no choice. This is just an abomination. And it's gotta stop. It's gotta stop. Anyways, tell me what you guys think. Leave those comments down below. Love y'all. See you in the next one. Peace.